Hey ladies, I just saw this picture and I thought it reminds me of so many women's lives after separation and divorce. And for many it feels like that their light's gone, that they haven't got anything to look forward to and they wonder what their future is actually going to be. I know because I went through a separation and divorce as a midlife woman that I wasn't expecting, and I know that it was really tough for me. It was tough for my kids, tough for my family, and even all my employees and my community and the people I was involved in. It was really difficult to get through those early stages, and what I really would have loved is someone to help me reset my life and find myself again, discover my new identity as a single woman, and then give me a clear pathway forward. I couldn't find that, ladies. I found a lot of man-hating groups. I found a lot of people who were still bitter and sad and lonely after 1, 3, 5, 10 years. I also found some beautiful girls who had moved on to a degree, but it doesn't take much for them to get triggered. Sometimes just talking about their ex and some of those things are still there. They're very raw, even though they think that they've moved on. Ladies, what I have found and discovered after I jumped in and did years of work on myself so I could get through my separation and divorce, and that I could really be a really good role model to my kids as well, I knew that I had to heal and grow and learn to love myself again, and I had to reset to create a new identity and find my way forward. I'm pleased to say that I managed to be able to do that, and it was such a revelation to me because I had been smart and successful and I had done well in business, I was financially secure, but my divorce still brought me to my knees. I didn't know how to navigate through the challenges that it brought up for me, but I managed and I got there. And now I have the pleasure of working with my business partner Sandra Lee, and together the two of us run a company called Women on Transition, and it's about helping women go through their separation and divorces so they can rebuild and create their beautiful new life. And I want to tell you what an amazing difference this work makes for all the ladies that we work with. We've helped thousands of ladies now go through their journey and rediscover themselves, and I'm really pleased to say they're out there living lives that they absolutely never thought was possible. They healed, they understood why their relationship broke down, and they were able to create new beautiful lives. And these ladies are living lives now that they never thought that they would. So ladies, if you're sitting there and you're feeling a bit stuck, or maybe you're going through early stages of separation or divorce, or maybe it happened 1, 3, 5, even 10 or 20 years ago, but you know that there's actually more for you, I want to encourage you to hit reset on your life. If you can get along to one of our events, we have 3 in October 2026 in Brisbane, Sydney and Perth, then please join us. These 3 days will absolutely help you to be able to put in place a new plan for yourself. It's Sandra and my mission to inspire and to help guide you ladies to be able to do that. And if you can't join us at one of our 3-day events, please just go to our website. We have so many different options, from free advice to memberships, what are only $47 a month, right through to coaching programs where you get to work with Sandra and me. And these programs are exactly what we have found that women need. Even though they might be coping, maybe they're even gone through and they think that they've healed, we know that the work that we do together in these coaching programs really set women up for success. And this is exactly what we have helped them do to get that new life, not be triggered, to actually heal, not just move on with all those old scars and the baggage that so many women drag along because they just don't know how to complete. So we want to be complete. We want to be able to move on as our very best self. So we love ourselves, so we know our worth and value, and that if we choose to get into another relationship, then we don't make mistakes. So ladies, if what I've said interests you, click on the link below if you can find it, or else jump into womenontransition.com. We look forward to being part of your journey and inspiring you to create your beautiful new life. See ya.